You have to perform this task right now so that you can earn some free money, because the task is about to end in few days. So I'll leave the link to this task in the video description. And if you don't have a Binance account yet, I'll leave a link below. Use the link, register on Binance, and get $100 welcome bonus. So right now, let's go into the video quickly. In one of my previous videos, I showed you how you can make money on Binance without investing any money. So in this video, I'm quickly going to walk you through something right now, something related to that. So let's go. And the first thing that you do when you come to your page, make sure you tap right here. That will send you to your profile. And when you are here, make sure you are using the pro version so that you can see this aspect, right? If you are seeing this at the bottom over here, that means you are at the right page, okay? So now, once you are here, you tap on more service, then you go to learn and earn. It's right here under the gift and campaign column. You have learn and earn over here. Tap on it and you're going to see the activities available that you can participate in and gain something, right? So currently this campaign is ongoing. I've shared a link on my community tab. If you've not seen yet, the link is still there. Go ahead and click on it and follow the procedure over here, right? So this is it. You're going to earn 72.8, so 86685 pound total taking rewards, right, after taking a lesson over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this lesson together with you, right? I'm going to take this lesson together with you. So I want you to also start this lesson right now. And after the lesson, we are equally going to get paid, provided we study all the thing and answer the quiz correctly. So I'm going to tap on start learning right now, and the page is going to load. Once the page loads, then I'll know what to do, right? So this is the first learning material over here. I hope you can see. All right. So what is 𝗦𝗨𝗕𝗦𝗖𝗥𝗜𝗕𝗘? That's a pound, right? So 𝗦𝗨𝗕𝗦𝗕 is a verifiable computing protocol that allows dApps, that's decentralized applications, to trustlessly outsource computations off-chain and verify results on-chain using T's and ZK proofs, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fast forward through the learning process and I'll get back to you in a minute. All right, so right after going through the lessons, I'm going to quickly start the quiz. So I'll just tap on this right here, start quiz, and let's see how it's gonna go. So for the quiz, I'm quickly going to answer all the questions and submit the answers, and I'll fast forward this place, right? And one interesting thing about this is that you can retake the quiz if you happen to fail, right? So yeah, it's pretty good. So after everything, I'm just going to tap on view results and let's see. Good, quiz completed. Thank you for your participation. We will review and announce the result via the reward history page. You may refer to the page 48 hours. That's like 2 days later. For other terms and conditions, please click here, right? Okay, so basically that is it. Okay, that is it. If you've done this, just wait, relax, and within 48 hours, you check your reward page to see if you've been credited or not, right? So I think this video has been helpful, and if it has, kindly go ahead and subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more videos on ways that you can make money and productivity tips.